Hey guys, we are out in the mountains today and I'm here with the Big Horn Bison crew and we are testing out all of the new seasonings. There are 7 new ones. It's time for breakfast. Everyone's hungry. We got up here early this morning. Eggs, bacon, we're making some sandwiches. So I'm gonna throw some bacon here on the grill and we are gonna be using our honey habanero first. Spicy, sweet, that brown sugar, salt, pepper vibe. And this is gonna give you that candied bacon feel in our sandwich. So we're laying these right down. Nothing better than outdoor cooking. Getting the char on this flat top. And you know I like to go heavy on our seasonings. We just sprinkle that right over. We are gonna spice things up, sweeten things up. We're gonna be eating 5-star out here today. While the bacon is working, get to crack our eggs. Got my other pan here. Some one-handed crack for you. Come on, broke one. It's the best part about campfire cooking. This is all getting smushed together in a sandwich. Now I'm going in with our salt, pepper, and garlic. This goes good on everything. Put it on eggs, put it on meat, put it on chicken, put it on vegetables. Doesn't freaking matter. This is your basic, your go-to. If you just need a go-to seasoning, pick up the salt, pepper, garlic. It'll be your best friend right next to your stove every single day. You're gonna be using it. So I'm putting that right on our eggs. We're gonna be smashing these down in our panini. So we're gonna cook our eggs to a nice medium. We don't want them super runny because remember, we're outside. We don't need egg yolk dripping all over our hands. We don't have the water sources out here that we do. This is not at-home cooking. I got some amazing buttery croissants here. What I like to do is grab some of that seasoning and that fat from the bacon and put those right down on the grill to start toasting. We're gonna let those start toasting away. Flip our bacon over and get that amazing caramelization. You don't see this with normal seasoning mixtures. There's sugar, brown sugar, honey in all of these rubs, and it is delicious. It adds that caramelization even at a lower heat, so you're gonna get a bigger bang for your buck no matter what you're cooking. It is just amazing. So I'm gonna let this keep going. Got a nice little toast here. This is what outdoor cooking is all about. Look at those black, brown spots. This isn't burnt, this is caramelized sugar. It is so freaking tasty. I'm gonna start getting the cheese down. Shredded works better when you're cooking outside because it's gonna melt faster and it's gonna crisp up on that grill nice and good, and you're gonna get the crispy cheese going. I'm gonna mess up our eggs, get those yolks cooking. And then again, I got the heat of the eggs that's gonna start melting that cheese. We're gonna put these right down. Big old 3-egg sandwich. And then in the interest of cooking outside, we already did some bacon. The crew wanted to eat ahead of time, so I had to cook some for them. Laying these down, 3 eggs, 3 pieces of bacon. Cover that up. Burn your hands. We're going with one of those pressed panini sandwiches. It's like the biggest trend right now. So I'm gonna press this down, get a nice good crisp on the flat top, flip that over, eat what doesn't fit in the sandwich. The salt, pepper, garlic is so good. And then you can see here, look at all that extra cheese. We got all these crispy bits coming together on the outside. Flip her one more time. She's messy, she's gooey, she's delicious. This is exactly what you're wanting when you're sitting outside working hard all day, camping, whatever you're doing. Put this on a plate, cut her up, good to go. All right, time to try this bad boy. This is delicious. Guys, that honey habanero and salt, pepper, garlic seasoning is what makes this sandwich. If you are outdoors, you gotta make it this way. It'll be your go-to panini for life. I'm gonna head out and go finish this bad boy.